Come to the train show.
My hands don't work with this arthritis. Thank you.
Some post-war.
All right, y'all, one over there.
Well, that's a nice little Crescent Limited. What's going on, sir?
You remember Jason? Yeah, this is Jason's dad.
Oh, okay.
Back in Melbourne. This is Jeff. Jeff lives up in Mooresville.
Oh, hey. That's cool. Wow.
Oh, that's his face.
This is incredible.
Thank you very much.
Can you tell us like what you do?
Yeah, I'm a local photographer. This is all my work. I do not use AI. I edit using other programs. Most of this stuff is from the Midlands. There's a couple of things from around the state, South Carolina. I have metal, lightweight, super lightweight metal. You don't need a frame or anything. I have prints. Most of the stuff you can find online, ambertutvisuals.com. And it's all sorts of different angles. I try to bring art to the rails.
Yeah.
Instead of just, hey, here's an awesome picture of a train, which is good.
Yeah.
But I try to do a little bit differently.
I really like this. I'm going to talk to my wife about something like that because, I mean, we just moved here, and that's a really, really cool little piece. I like that.
Thank you. These are great because,
Oh, is that here in Columbia?
yeah, this is right behind the stadium.
Okay.
You can just put a nail in your wall or a big heavy screw.
Right.
That's what I recommend with the mount.
Yep.
But that's it. You don't need a frame. You don't need anything else. This is light enough you can throw it like a frisbee.
Wow.
And this is right behind the stadium. Today is actually homecoming, so I'm sure that there's a ton,
Oh, there's a ton of people
right
over there.
now.
Heck yeah.
I took in February.
Oh, that's gorgeous too.
Yeah, these are special for the show.
No, those are absolutely beautiful.
So
And then this is your business card, right?
Yep. Yep.
If you're interested, hit this guy up. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Uh-huh.
Appreciate it.
Hi, ma'am. Oh, wow. You're doing graffiti. Cool. Do you have like a business card or anything, or you just do it locally?
I do it locally. I could take like a number though.
Yeah?
If you want.
No, is it cool if I film you just doing what you're doing?
That's fine.
Cool. That's awesome.
I'm just like trying to get people's to commission me to do like their trains that they use.
That's really, really cool. And you painted this whole thing?
Yeah, I paint them all. I distress them with weathering powders.
Yeah. That's awesome. I'll come back and I'll talk to you a little bit about, maybe I want a piece from you. Thank you. Oh, lots of Southern. Holy cow. Lots of Southern. Oh, hey. That's nice. Little Southern Crescent right there. 2 of them. Some railway lanterns. Some American Flyer. Oh, that's cool. That's really neat. What are they asking on that? What are you guys asking on your switches? On these lanterns? What are you asking on these lanterns? What are you asking on these?
Take 2 on the bigger one, 3 on the small one.
2 on that one? Okay. And then 3 on this one? Okay, yes sir. All right, thank you. Thank you. Oh, lots and lots of HO.
All right.
I was wondering.
55 years of nothing one place.
You ain't lying. So you working on your layout now? Good.
A lot of that. I've gotten rid of all my horses.
There's something nostalgic about looking at these older Bachman boxes. That's really cool. Grew up in the 90s and that's how they looked. Some Lionel post-war celebration. Hi. Oh wow. The Hiawatha set, 1988. Man. No kidding. All right, here we go. We have Train Town Toy and Hobby. If you're interested in any of the stuff that you're about to see, just how to get in contact with them. The new Carolina, Aberdeen, and Western sold out at Lionel. 4 motors. It's a gorgeous paint scheme. Oh, that is that a dash? I think that might be a dash 8 or 9. That's a nice one. I have the 562 from Lionel, and it's super. That's probably one of my favorite diesel locomotives because he has a real thick accent. 562 here. Oh, here it is, Disney 100 with the Donald Duck car. We have that car at Legacy Station waiting for us. I know Lady Lionel is super excited for that set. Also, all the Mickey Mouse hand cars too. Again, hold on, I have to. Megan and Corey, great job, outstanding. Oh hey. That's not a bad car. The add-on Hogwarts passenger car. Not bad. US Army. That's pretty cool. I like that one. It's like a whole little train. The Lionel catalogs right here too. Hi. Oh, some little Rail King FEFs. There we go. A Rail King looks like an Allegheny. Man, a Rail King Allegheny. That's cool. Yeah, Menards, you're doing great stuff, man. This is fantastic, and I know that Menards just got the set out. And then here's the Angus. I think there's a couple people that might be looking for an Angus. If you're looking for an Angus in Russian blue, make sure you contact Toy or Train Town Toy and Hobby. I have it for $900.
let you know.
Oh, we're not going to go that way just yet. We have to go all the way down. And look, this whole thing. You're Landon, right? Hey, how's it going, Landon?
Good.
Well, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
You
you, man.
opened up your store, right?
Yep.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Berkshire Station? You have a card? That's what you got?
Another Mac 80.
Oh, another one. Perfect.
We've been doing this for. Give me one.
All right, here's Landon with Berkshire Station. So if you're interested in any of the stuff that you see here, he has a ton of Walthers, HO, and then we'll hit him up on the other side in just a moment. This is probably a local dealer. He has a ton of HO. Now this is really cool. Check this out. I don't know if Lionel made this white track for Christmas, but this is a fantastic idea. And then the slow-moving Santa and Mrs. Claus. Aren't they? Oh, hold on. No, those are both Santas. My bad. Mrs. Claus doesn't have a beard. But no, this is just a beautiful setup. Absolutely beautiful. And here we have the Orient Express. It's a really cool setup. Got some necklaces and some bracelets. A little cool diorama. K-Line. Six cars for $195. That ain't bad. That's not bad for Canadian Pacific. Santa Fe. I think these are K-Line as well. Yeah, these are K-Line. These aren't bad, actually. Oh, these are not bad. I don't know if they have the box, but those are good cars. All right, here's another store in the Columbia, South Carolina area. New Brooklyn Railroad and Hobby Shop. So everything on these next tables is going to be from that store. Oh, hey, look at that. The 261 is on the Greenberg Sky for this year. That's actually, maybe they're considering that now a classic. Got some classic Lionel right here. Hi. We have a lot of HO right here. Hear my Challenger in the distance. Matt's going to town on it. Alright, we're going to head down this section next. I'm going to start over here though, because I am actually taking a look at that. L&N, Louisville and Nashville. I think you had 200 on that. That's a really nice piece. This is actually really nice how they set this up, so you can take a look at anything that you want. And that's a nice caboose. If they made that in O scale, I'd probably get that, and then contact my buddy Mike for some 3D printed parts. Which, by the way, I still need to show you guys those 3D printed parts. We'll see that in a little bit. Chuggington. That's a funny looking train right there. Gotta love the orange box. So yeah, tons of HO, some real track from MTH. Oh, those are nice long sections right there. Every train show has to have one of these. Test track. Oh man, hold on. We have G, standard, regular O, American Flyer. Oh, now we have two different types of HO. Don't know what that is. Maybe, I don't know. N and Z. That's a beautiful bridge. Look at all that. Awesome. Oh, hold on. My buddy Alex is a huge Batman fan. So if you've seen this, Alex, with Lorena, you might need to find one of these. Put it underneath your Christmas tree. Oh, nice little cool subways too. I don't know if those are Lionel, if those are MTH, but those are nice. Ooh, hold on. Got a Rail King Big Boy there. Some post-war celebration 2345s. We do have that set. An original 2175W post-war. Got that from New York Electric Trains. K-Line Big Boy. And tons more O-scale.
I saw it. He wanted $90 for it. He just almost 50. Huh? 50. Yeah, we got the set.
Tons of orange boxes, yellow boxes, purple boxes, even blue boxes from the K-Line back in the day. Oh, hold on. I don't know if a lot of you guys know what that is, but that's Big Mo. Back in the day, MTH used to pull that around the United States, and it was basically just a rolling layout. That's actually really, really cool. They had an awesome video about Big Mo. You can find it on YouTube. I'm going to go around. Here's some more stuff from Landon. Got a ES44. Static King. Probably one of the best static grass applicators out there. Now hold on, we might take a look at this really quick. So we have all of these nice
Well, you used to take two.
accessories, or not accessories, transformers. But what I'm gonna look at that real quick. Excuse me. That is actually really cool. I like that one, the Dino Cafe. We actually might take that one home with us because I love Route 66 stuff, and we have the Hindenburger. That's awesome too. I do hope Lionel comes out with more accessories like that back in the day. Some water towers. Oh, that's cool. The Phantom. That's really cool. That's a neat looking locomotive. It's like an older version of the hot dog. That's a true hot dog right there with some mustard. Tons of track. Okay, hey, look at that. It's about that time. It's about that time for Christmas. Hallmark ornaments. I called today and they also have our Hallmark ornaments ready for us as well. We don't have that one. That's the J. I think that went to the little, yeah, the 060 B6. Wow. GG1. I think we might have all of those except for that one at 726. So we might come back 15 on that one. Commemorative set. That's actually a really nice set. I saw a documentary about this set, and each boxcar has a very influential like piece of art or a locomotive or something on the sides, and it was the 75th anniversary train set. That's a great set. As you guys know, Lionel just celebrated its 120th 3 years ago, so I wonder what Lionel's going to do for the 125th. All right, that takes care of that section. Let's move over here. Tons and tons of HO. Another Bachmann Pacific Flyer, that's a classic. See, I need to get that for all my brass parts. That little thing, I get confused with all my parts that I have. So we already looked at that section, so let's take a look over here. And down there's more HO, but hold on, that looks like some art. And you know us, we love art. Wow, this is some pretty artwork. I've never seen a diesel with a bell like that. That is really neat. Here, we're gonna go on the opposite side. Let me see what they have.
And I'll tell you, the only reason I didn't print it because when I did that book club,
Oh, so I have seen this guy before. Yeah, he was at the, what was that, the Atlanta show.
it was painted in a book.
Oh, wow. Hey, this locomotive is being restored in Nashville. That's a beautiful locomotive. They call it the Yellow Jacket. Outstanding looking locomotive. For all the N&W fans. That's beautiful. And then here's a business card. Frank Crow. Nice. Has all these different art pieces. Today he's doing $25 a print. It's going to be signed and then numbered.
Give it to us and then find me a pen.
Oh. Mars Light Railroading or Mars Light on YouTube. Now that's a painting that you need at your house. That's beautiful. He models outstanding work for his O-gauge Legacy Burks. They're outstanding.
I'll tell you something.
I wish a turntable for O scale would cost $160. That'd be outstanding. Let's take a look at like what they might have. Excuse me. Oh no, this is a cool accessory. This was made from K-Line, and it actually works like a running river. That's a nice looking. That's really, really cool. I like that. C&O Texas. Oh, that's Lionel. That's a nice looking Texas. Not bad. Nice. We're gonna move over here as well. Oh, hey. I know someone was looking for Conrail on the Facebook. Oh, now that's beautiful. The American Freedom Train. We are about to celebrate in 2026 America 250. Let's go take a look at some standard gauge. Some nice standard gauge stuff. Nice blue Comet. Bunch of electrics. Really great stuff. Love train shows. Wow, look at these.
Minimum charge is $5.
Now is this O scale? Is this 2-rail? Is this 2-rail O scale? Right, is it 3-rail or 2-rail? It's 2-rail. I gotcha. Wow. These are some beautiful looking locomotives. The weathering on it is fantastic. Narrow gauge, beautiful. And then over here, we have, I think, Digitrax and that new system Blue Nami. I'm going to contact Sid from Sid's Trains, and I'm going to see if he can do a surprise little upgrade. Adonis has the same locomotive, just a different number that I have. I have a little Southern Pacific locomotive, but I want to see if he can do that same thing, because that's incredible. That's a beautiful J. We have the Daylight. Z4000s. 375, not bad.
We'll hold on up. And if we don't find a full express, come back here and we'll make another one. How's that one?
Jimmy Johnson expansion pack. That's cool, especially after our week that we had at Lionel Racing and Racing at NASCAR. It was awesome, so I'm definitely starting to take a liking to NASCAR. The Bud set, it's not bad, and it's all boxed too. That's actually not that bad. I don't think that that's original, but that's original.
I think we have 12 or 3.
My buddy Mike, he's the one that's been helping me out with this awesome Vision auxiliary tender piece, and he's the one that's been 3D printing all these cool pieces, these add-on pieces, so that way it now looks super prototypical. So Mike, why don't you tell us what you did?
Yeah, so Will came to me and he wanted some extra parts for his train. I'm just getting into trains myself, but basically he showed me some photos. And then we really, I tried to, so like we didn't have any dimensions for this, obviously. We have that it's O scale, so it's 148. But basically just with photos, I was able to kind of make some guesses in terms of dimensions. We had a photo directly from the front, and based on that photo, from what the boxes were in the photo, I was able to guess at this length, and then regurgitate that kind of up here in order to get those box lengths. And then basically I was able to just kind of model these parts in a program I use, and then print them out on a 3D printer. And then in order to kind of, I tried to mess around with a few different plastic colors, but ultimately we had to just settle with painting in order to get the exact color to kind of match this train as best as possible. But yeah, I kind of enjoy doing 3D modeling, and this is just a fun little side project for me.
I have a couple more side projects for you, right? Just a couple more?
Yes, there are a few more. Will has given me a couple more trains. They're sitting in my house, and train modeling is all about trying to get as close as possible to the real train that you're trying to model. So just, trying to do all the little details here and there to just get it as close as you can to 100%.
And this looks outstanding. I mean, from the side, this looks just like the real thing. And I know Lionel's coming out with new ones, but I'm a huge fan of this is the old Vision Line one. And I don't know, maybe we might get some more of these out. Maybe to some people.
Yeah, if anybody wants them, I'm happy to either share the file with you or print them myself and mail them, or however you need to receive them.
Heck yeah. Well, overall, this is your first time seeing it. Is it really, really cool to finally see like all the work and everything? It's cool, right?
Yeah, it looks awesome.
Heck
I haven't seen it on this particular train. We originally
we modeled it on this one, but today this is the first time that this has actually been out on the rails. I unboxed it today and I was getting like really giddy.
Yeah.
So
yeah, it looks awesome.
Heck yeah.
It just adds that extra touch on top.
And so what we have out here today, we're over here at the train show, and we have all UP power. We have 3985. We have the E units. Big boy over there he has like a little bit of some maintenance things, some traction tires, 844, and then a SD40. But overall, Mike, thanks so much for everything that you continue to do, and thanks for everything, brother.
Yep.
All right, buddy, you ready to do it? Ready to blow the whistle? There you go. Blow it up. Blow the whistle.